One-way slab versus two-way slab. What is the difference? It depends on how the structure carry its load. Some people ask, how did the structural engineer know when to design a one-way slab or two-way slab? The answer is simple. What is one-way slab? One-way slab carry its load in one direction. Let's take this as an example. When you place a wooden plank in two chairs, when load is acted on it at the center, the plank bends in one direction. That is a perfect example of a one-way slab. What are the characteristics? Main reinforcement is placed at the shorter span, while distribution bars is placed at the longer span. The perfect example is balcony, walkway, or a narrow way. In general engineering guide, if the ratio of the longer span to the ratio of the shorter span is greater than or equal to 2, that is when you know that the slab is a one-way slab. What is a two-way slab? A two-way slab carry its loads in both directions. So let's take this as an example. When you spread a piece of fabrics and supported it in 4 directions. So when a load is acted at the center, the load that is placed at the center is spread across the angles of the fabrics. That is the example of a two-way slab. The characteristics of a two-way slab is that load is transferred in both directions. So main bars and distribution bars are provided in 2 directions. In structural engineering design, the ratio of the longer span to the ratio of the shorter span must be less than or equal to 2. How does this matter? So the type of slab you use determines the number of reinforcement you used, cost of the building, and the slab thickness. When you choose a wrong slab type, it will result to cracking, deflection, and an unsafe design. Sometimes causes building failure. I am Genesis Engineering Services.